Hi, this is Larry Kearney. Welcome to my review video on the new cloud-based AI called VidMax AI review. Now, this is the world's first AI app that turns any idea, URL, blog, website, keyword, prompt, or script into a studio quality video in 100 different languages in 60 seconds. For one low price, it starts at $15. This comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so now you can create fantastic videos just from a keyword or just from a prompt script. Take a blog, you name it. So, everyone knows the money is in videos now. You have to make great videos. This is going to create a studio quality video. So you have access to hundreds of done for you templates, elements, and videos. Generate human-like voiceover with a click of the mouse. Automatically generate subtitles for your videos without you doing it. So the AI is going to take care of all this. This is a no-brainer, folks. You have to have quality videos because you want to, put them on TikTok, Facebook, and you have to have every day have new ones. And you don't want to be paying someone to make videos every day. You just don't. Most people can't afford that, and it's not the best way to go. They have used this to get 8,458 free clicks for each video they have created for free. So check it out. Now you could go to my site, click the link below, and see a full demo. So you see exactly what you're getting for only for $15, folks. So that's a no-brainer, and a 30-day money-back guarantee. Okay, so check it out. Click the link below, so you'll be able to watch the full demo, so you see exactly how this works. So you can start making money with this today by posting on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Get started today. It's Larry Kearney. Make sure you click the link below to check it out. I'd like to thank everyone for watching my video, and I'll see everyone in the next video.